Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka principal jong St. Margaret Higher Secondary School Lajum Kara Shillong ka Sister Maria Ali kelapan pau bakam shim la Pynshlur ki Khynnah Pule hakarika school ban pennon kam ki CM's Guidebook belapen mi de katrat Pule putih jong sarkar jilla khnang man kinti ke jing pass bha jong ki Khynnah school bi khon ni ki examine secondary school living certificate bajupan long da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education man la usnem Hagaji keran bakilat patai kubor aga santrik ya yong arajar pausan. Ka Sister Maria Ali kalau angru baga jing pelong ka sarkar ya ke examine SSLC hagasian ka baar kan pentut bah namar baga jing sedang ke kelas 11 nak benta ki Khynnah school ki bila pas kliat syat chakman.
I think it's really helpful, not only for us but other students, and it is a new measure to increase the literature rate in Meghalaya. So I think it's really helpful, and it's not like we had it the whole year, so we couldn't take the maximum input from it. But then, however it helped in a really good way. It is simplifying, but then the exam was not exactly based on all the on the guidebook. There were questions from the guidebook, but then it was not exactly, so we cannot say that only people who study the guidebook will pass. I'm planning to pursue science. Nga ban ang pede. So long excited among team to ka party because nga tistam bhat ya ka baga tistam jang kan pau mo bar hakibri even bri ba kikir tistam ha pin khe jang ka sang last year hi January ga sang tuition so ye ka maths tuition dem to khakot be kum to then hanga te kam de ta ka por ba khakot kam sung ta ka por ni ka no khakot ha ta ni ka si ke ngatra ben pinda ka bangala ke jing thumu banga po mo nga se bo ti ni te kam ta ha kas ni ye ka si am kai po kam na po ko jing ting ka ting ke ni ke na ka no so ma ka ba ke ni ki ka encourage ki bro pursue ki dreams ki ran ki Khynnah ki bam long start mo ban pa di ne ki tibet pare ha ki we ki pa ki kam kum jing ki na ban wa ki na ban ten ne ki na be ti ka ta ka ya ke ni ki bro le ki we ki chai kam ki activities mo ngi on extra curricular activities ti kam ta ki recommend ki mo ki ta ka la ini ke ka ban long doctor ka ban era ki bri even I ban the met pasha ka kai mo no ta ki bri on the bandit bri doctor and ki minta like you know oh bri doctor oh di minta ba yo bun psa pada ngam so le kata ka sha ba ai kata ka jing ko chi khai ki bri ba kata ka psa ba yo suka ban era ki bri ban hera ki orphanage kata ban shelter dreams more
CM impact, but it helped in improving the overall percentage of the result. It's a record because of CM impact book. Obviously, actually I didn't encourage our students to use that book because I saw some glaring mistakes out there, but eventually it was available in the net and all, they have used it. So for those who are in the peripheries or who are in the villages, I think it was very useful. But for city children, I think it would make them lazy to study only this book. The same, it will improve the overall performance. But then when it comes to quality, I think we are not doing great in that. Because some of them will start their classes soon because admissions will begin, and these students have to sit and study, and then they'll come afterwards to join class 11, which will disturb them as well as disturb the institutions. Now we will be having exams in May for those who have failed, and then I think the percentage will go higher, pass percentage. So that is the aim of the government, to increase the pass percentage. We were not having selection tests in our school because we have a reaches class 10. But then it would be better if we have selection tests because it will motivate students to study and perform well. We have first rank which goes to Leisha Agarwal, then 6th rank goes to Ranchita Paul, 7th rank goes to Kriti Kumari, 8th rank goes to Timi Huileng, 17th rank goes to Ba Pinyokor Don Shiu, and 19th rank goes to Isabeth Lalu.
Thank you.